Welcome to Badminton. To contact your kinesiology instructors, please use the Canvas inbox or email your instructor directly. Messages will be returned within 24 hours. Messages sent on the weekends will be returned the first workday of the following week. Because of the shift to distance learning, we won't be able to play badminton at school, but we can still take time to improve our badminton knowledge, skills, and physical fitness. The course overview module explains the procedures for completing the course. Remember, badminton is an activities course, and students will receive full credit for completing the activities. The activities and assignments module will guide you through the course week by week. The badminton fitness and exercise library modules will give you exercises and routines to improve your game. Both modules give video explanations and demonstrations of exercise to help you. Badminton is a great way to stay fit and earn your transfer credits. I'm looking forward to a great semester. Thank you.